How to change the oil and drain the gas. The video content is structured in 2 parts. You will need the following tools before starting. Drain the engine oil. Before draining the engine oil, place the machine on a table or elevated surface. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the drain bolt. Remove the oil drain bolt. Drain the engine oil into a container. Tilt the machine to fully drain the engine oil. Place the machine level and reinstall the drain bolt. Ensure all parts are in place. Tighten the oil drain bolt. Oil draining is complete. Drain the gasoline. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the drain bolt. Remove the fuel drain bolt and drain the gasoline into a container. Tilt the machine to fully drain the gasoline. After draining completely, reinstall the carburetor bolt. Tighten the drain bolt. Gasoline draining is complete.